Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm going to start a brand new chapter. The chapter is Numbers in Indian and International Systems, chapter 3. So in this chapter we will study about units, what is numbers, what is numerals and what is numerations. So firstly we will cover the topic unit. What is unit? Unit Unit means a single thing. Suppose this is a marker. This is a marker means a single marker, and this is my whiteboard, a single whiteboard. So unit is the measurement of anything. So suppose there are a whiteboard, a whiteboard. So there is marker is one single. So this is unit, single unit. What is numbers? Number. Number, suppose we count, there are how many letters in the number? How many letters there are in the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 alphabetic letters in numbers. 6. Number of characters in this number is 6. 6 characters. 6 characters in this number. So 6 is the number. And numeral. What is numeral? Numeral is the same as number. We can add, suppose, numeral of 6. Numeral of 6 is 6. Numeral of 0 is 0. This is number. This is numeral. Numeral of 71 is 71. Now we will cover what is numeration. Numeration, when we represent any number in the form of words, then this is called as numeration. Suppose 71. 71 is the number. We have to represent it in numeration. Numeration. What is the numeration of 71 is? 71 means 70. 71. So the numeration of 71 is 71. We have to write the numbers in words. So this is called numeration. Now we will study about unit. In brief, what is unit? Suppose I bought 5 kgs of potatoes. 5 kgs of potatoes. 5 kgs of potatoes. So here 5 is the unit. 5 kg is the unit of 5 kg is the unit of weight. Unit of weight. Unit of weight. 5 kg is the unit of weight. Weight, and it is taken 5 times. It means 5 kg. 5 kg, 5 is the unit. 5 kg is the unit of weight, and it is taken 5 times. Suppose I drank 5 liters of water. So here 5 liter is the unit of 5 liter is the unit of volume. Unit of volume. Unit of volume, and it is taken 5 times. Liter is the unit of volume. Suppose I say that this whiteboard is of 3 meters, means the length of this whiteboard is 3 meter. 3 meter. And what is 3 meter? 3 meter is the unit of length. 3 meter is the unit of length, and it is taken 3 times. Means the length of this whiteboard is 3 meters. So this is called as unit. unit. Means we can write unit in unit of length. Unit of length is equal to meter. Unit of weight is kg. Unit of volume is liter. This is kilogram. This is liter and this is meter. Now we'll study about number, numerals and numeration. Suppose take any number 5, 3, 8, 6, 9. So we have to write this number in numerals. So we will write as it is 5, 3, 8, 6, 9. This is the numeral of this number. And numeration means we have to write this number in words. So we will write each and every word, each and every number, what written here. I am using here Indian system of writing. 53,869. 869. Let's take another number, another example. Let's take 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay. So I will explain you in Indian number system. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So write number in numerals 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. This is the numeral form of this number. Now we will write in words this number. What is given here? 51,23,467. I will write in numeration 51 lakh. 51 lakh, write it 51. 51 lakh 23,000. 23,467. 467. This is the numeration form of these numbers and numerals.